main cause of an air conditioning breakdown is lack of airflow, dirty, clogged up filters, or a blocked, homeowners closing up a bunch of vents. You got to have that airflow moving through the system. It's not good to choke it up. You want it to be able to breathe and get as much airflow through the system. But the main cause of equipment failure is lack of airflow and causing the equipment to freeze up.
Okay.
Or lack of refrigerant charge. If it isn't not properly charged, you're not going to be able to get the temperature split that you need across that evaporator, or if a breaker trips. That's why it's important to check that the unit is actually on and functioning.